All right, little DeWalt folder. Get this little thing tuned up. Put some tape on it to shield the handle here. Remember, 90% of my secret is this professional stone I sell. Made from aluminum oxide impregnated with oil. You can take it anywhere, from razor blades to swords. Okay, sit in a chair, towel across my legs. First finger on top of my leg like this, grab the stone by the corner. Clamp onto it. Take the knife, put the first finger on the blade. Give my angle, lock my wrist. Come back to the tip, take a bow to see if the knife moves. If the knife moves, I'm going to use my upper body to go down to the stone. My upper body is making this motion. This is your own natural body mechanics. Your arm and wrist have no consistency. When you have the actual professional stone that works and use your own natural body mechanics, you have a true, consistent edge. Turn the blade over, put your thumb on the blade, get your angle, lock your wrist, and bring your elbow in. And the right shoulder comes back, left shoulder comes forward, and the elbow comes up in the air. Right shoulder comes back, left shoulder comes forward, and the elbow goes up in the air. Called your own natural body mechanics to keep a consistent, true edge. So those two sides of the blade have to touch. Once they touch, that's true, that's sharp. In this position, I can use all my upper body to right on that edge from the hilt to the tip of the knife. And be true and consistent all the way through. I'm going to finish this up.